Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this quick 360 lace wig that I got from Tanisha Hair. This is not my first time working with this company. To be honest, I absolutely love their hair. I'm not just saying this just because in this video. This is one of the companies whose hair has been very long lasting, and I actually still have the hair that I previously reviewed. So the wig that I'm going to be showing in this video is a 360 lace wig. It is 13 by 6 lace frontal. It comes with your standard combs. It comes with your elastic band, and the inch is 24 inch. And this luscious body wave texture, as you can see me showing you on the screen. Absolutely in love with this curl pattern. Okay, so we're going to get right into styling the wig. Now, ladies, one thing that I can definitely say that kills me when I look at other people wearing wigs is when they have like a hump at the top of their wig. I cannot stress to you enough that pre-styling your wig before wearing it makes a complete difference. As you can see, you can't even see when I part the hair, you can't even tell that I just parted it. That means that the hair needs to be laid down. So what I did is I saturated the top portion of the hair with water. After that, you're going to take some styling mousse. I'm going to pop up on the screen the styling mousse that I use, but there's so many different kinds. To be honest, you could use any of them. What you want to do is you're going to further set the hair with that styling mousse. So it kind of reminds me when we used to go to the salon and get our natural hair done. You know how like the beautician would set our hair with like all of that foam mousse and then sit us under the dryer for our hair to set? That's basically the same thing you want to do for your wig. You want to let the wig set in that particular style placement so that when it dries, you now have a flat wig. One thing I love about this wig is I didn't have to bleach the knots, but the lace is not my skin color. So if you're one of the type of people that you like to tint your lace, you're definitely going to have to tint it. Or you can use this trick that I like to use. I use this airbrush tint by Sally Hansen, and it is in the color medium glow. I'm going to go ahead and glue my wig down. Well, actually, I'm not using glue. I'm using gel. The Got To Be Glue styling gel. I'm going to pop it on the screen for you to see it. So after you place the wig down, you want to make sure the glue is actually dry before you get to this step. I did not do that. That's why you're going to see right here in this clip, after I got done setting my hair, the glue was, the gel was completely stuck to my actual headscarf. So what you want to do in this situation, because this is gel, you can take this away with water. So all you want to do is just saturate a napkin, or you can use Q-tips like I did, and you just want to go ahead and take that gel residue off of the wig. You don't want to put too much water because, like I said, this is a water-based product. So if you put too much water, the wig will literally slide right off, because that's pretty much what helps break the actual gel up is the water. Off camera, I did go ahead and I used my curling wand to put me some wand curls inside of my wig. I have one of the 7-in-1 curling wands, so I believe that this is the second to the smallest barrel that you can use out of the pack. And then you just want to further make sure that your wig is flat. Right now I am using a waxing stick, and I'm also going to use my hot comb. I'm going to use my hot comb to just make sure my wig is flat and it's looking exactly how I want it to look. Now I am seeing, as I watched the video back after I got done recording, I did see that I probably did need to go over my wig a little bit more with some water, because I can still see some of that gel buildup. But y'all, it is so hard to film and make sure you're doing your hair correctly, making sure that everything is in line and the way it's supposed to be. So forgive me. That's something that I missed. And then here, I'm just going to add a little bit of powder, just my regular foundation powder inside of the parting area and around the sides. And you'll see this is the final look that I got. Absolutely love this hair. The only con that I have with this hair is I didn't like that there was a small bald spot in the front hairline. But other than that, this hair curled beautifully. The curls actually lasted a few days with me curling it. And this curling wand, I didn't really have to put too much product on the hair. I just absolutely loved it. So I'm going to leave all of the information down in the comment section below if you would like to check this wig out. Stay tuned to the end of this video, because I'm about to give y'all a little bit of slayage. You know, it wouldn't be The Key Is Me if I didn't. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. I'm so tired, y'all. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. I got to be up for work at 6. I don't even know why I'm playing myself right now. But I love y'all and I love this, so I gotta get it done. I will get it done. It's gonna get done.